Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Julie on Nowstaljia. So for the past few videos, I know I said nice and cute way too much. I mean, you know, when you're filming for the first few times, you get nervous and your vocabulary, it decreases significantly. So I will try my best to not use cute and nice as much, and I'll try to use other descriptive words to describe everything that we're opening today. All right, let's get started. So I do have two items that are already open and they're from the regular section. So I got the Wunder under tray. This purple is gorgeous. And I also got another pair of Wunder unders, and these are the high rise. These are the diamond dye. This is another pair of gorgeous, gorgeous pants. Okay, so these, I was actually really excited to receive these. These are the Aligns, the Lavender Dew color. When it hit women's we made too much, it didn't have my size. All the smaller sizes were already gone, but I was lucky enough to catch these for a restock. And I couldn't be happier. Okay, so this is actually a scent sale from one of their stores. I waited for 2.5 weeks for this. I was actually so sad because it stopped moving on FedEx for a good week and a half and I thought it was lost. These are another sought after color. It was so hard to get. When it hit women's we made too much. Again, all the smaller sizes are, you know, obviously gone, but I was lucky enough to find one that has stock, so I got these. The color is gorgeous. These are another pair of the Aligns. Okay, so these are the Scuba Sorry, so these are the Scuba Cruise. These are again another women's we made too much drop. These like went like that too. So I got this one in a size 8 because I do want an oversized look. These have pockets in the front, so it's like an overall sweatshirt but with a pocket in the front, and I love the red and it's very, very gorgeous. It's a different material. It's not fleece, but it's very comfortable. Okay, so I got this Love, I don't remember the name. The Love Revealed bra. I again caught this on a restock for a size 8, and I'm actually pretty happy that I was able to. I wanted to get the leggings to match it, but they are out of stock in my size. But these will be really cute in these will be really cute if you wear them with a pair of black leggings. So this is the back. It is a thicker material. I feel like if you wear this in the winter, it'll keep you warm underneath a shirt. But it kind of reminds me of the static colors when you see on TV when your channel doesn't work. Okay, so these were really random. I haven't seen these on their website, but during one of their early morning restocks, I was scrolling through and I found these. And these t-shirts are really pretty. It's like a straight tie-dye. So this is an orangey color. And this one is a purple. So I got one in a size 6. So this is the size 6. I feel like they're really oversized, but I read the reviews and that's what it said. And I also got a size 4. So this is a size 4, so for a more fitted look. But I feel like these are, again, really oversized as well. But the material is very, very comfortable and very soft. You can kind of wear these with your shorts, with leggings, or even as PJs. Okay, so these were another scent sale. So I got the twist sweater. So I was reading the review and it did say that these fit a lot bigger. So I usually wear a size 6 in their tops, and I grabbed a size 4, and these seem to be very big again, but it's supposed to have this oversized look, right? The color is gorgeous. It's I would say an avocado / minty green, if you can see. I feel like this is double lined or something. Like if you look on the inside, the material, it's not like your typical sweater. So you can wear this both ways, from this as your front or the twist also as your front. This is actually really cute, but again, like I don't know how it will look on me just yet, but you'll be able to see in a Okay, so this is a it's actually a yoga strap. I'll pop the picture of the product up here so you'll be able to see. The main reason why I got this was because with the strap over here, you can unhook it. And I know that Lululemon doesn't sell straps separately like this anymore with their logos on it, and I wanted to grab it so I can use this strap on my other Lululemon bags. And then also this over here, so you would loop your mat through here, right? So like your mat would be like this. And then you can put a couple of items over here, like your wallet, your cell phone, if you don't want to bring anything, just your mat, and this is it. So this is actually pretty convenient. This is a dark green. Okay, so these I was actually really happy to catch on a restock. These were the limited edition ones from the Chinese New Year collection. The gold detailing on the side is actually yellow. I'm really happy because I also got a matching bra from before, and I actually caught a restock for these. The City Adventure backpack, the micro. I was trying to see which size it was. This color, this yellow, is gorgeous. More like a orangey yellow. These were a restock as well. You know, sometimes you look at it and then you're thinking, okay, like, do I really need it? I swear I have a problem, but when I saw this on restock and it said that it only had a few pieces left, I had to grab it. Is it just me, or any one of you guys do this too? Okay, and then we have one last item that I'm going to open. Okay, so I got one of their tie-dye bucket hats. So I got this in a size, the medium large, so the biggest size that they have, because I have a really big head and a lot of hats don't fit my head. So like, let's try this on right now. Okay, you know what? It actually fits. I actually like the way it looks. It's I'm not gonna say cute. I will not say cute. It's no, I can't say nice either. Okay, it's fabulous. Look at the pattern. Oh, okay. I'm actually really happy right now. I've been trying to find a nice bucket hat for the longest time, and it's been hard because of the size of my head, and also because some of the colors that bucket hats come in, right? Like, it doesn't work well with me, but I'm glad I got these. And these are, again, were from the We Made Too Much section. And this one, like that as well. So I'm really happy that I was able to catch these. Thank you all for dropping by. I really appreciate you guys. I do upload new videos every single week, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and lastly, if you want to see anything next or if you have any suggestions, comment section below. Until then, see you next time.